Now please make sure that you cut off any excess material if you have, so that you don't get any bumps and humps on the headband. Hello everyone, MOLWENI NONKE. Today I'll be showing you how I made this statement headband piece without any sewing machine. Now this DIY is inspired by a number of videos that I watched here on YouTube as well as on TikTok. With this one, I did not have half of the things that were required to make this DIY. So I did not have a measuring tape. I lost my flexible measuring tape. That's why you see me using that tape measure, which is not good particularly for this DIY. I lost my ruler. As you can see, I'm just using my book here. So yeah, I'm just making a lemonade out of lemons, really. I also don't have a sewing machine, but we're going to continue, you know. We're not giving up. We're just going to see this thing to the end. I finished this DIY about 2 weeks ago. I was just hesitant to put this video out there or to post it because I lost few clips of the DIY and I made a mistake with this DIY. I'm just going to point you to the mistake that I made. The black elastic band that I'm holding is actually supposed to go or to be inserted on the other elastic band, hence it is tight and squeezed. I just thought at the time I was doing this DIY that my measurements were off maybe by an inch or so. I did not pay much attention to it, and to be honest, I made it happen. But as I was watching this video, I could see that I was actually supposed to insert on the other casing, and I decided to do another one, you know, just to follow the correct measurements and Now please make sure that you cut off any excess material if you have, so that you don't get any bumps and humps on the headband. This is my very first attempt at making this headband without any sewing machine, so I'm very proud of myself. Again, if you have a thread that is the same color as the fabric, please make sure that you use a matching thread so that it doesn't show. But I was not really bothered by the white lines because this will actually not show as I use it on my head. I'm very proud. I love it. I was so confident. I made another one. You're going to see it with a different color.